NASA successfully launches 2 new space telescopes, and JWST spots a puzzle. A Falcon 9 rocket successfully launched NASA's new SPHEREX and Punch missions into orbit last night after several aborted attempts at the launch. SPHEREX will gather spectral data on 450 million external galaxies and 100 million stars in our own Milky Way in order to study the origins of the universe. Punch is a constellation of 4 small satellites that will study the outer atmosphere of the Sun, called the coronosphere, and the solar wind, and how these affect Earth and the rest of the solar system. Both the SPHEREX and Punch missions are scheduled to last at least 2 years. In other news, scientists have used the James Webb Space Telescope Advanced Deep Galactic Survey, or JADES, data to discover that about 2/3 of the 263 galaxies in the field, where they could measure the rotation, were rotating in the same direction. If the universe was random in some sense, then we'd expect half the galaxies to rotate one way and half to rotate the other. It's possible the preferential rotation was caused because the universe was born rotating, which would mean our standard model of cosmology is missing some details. It's also possible this particular sample is biased for various reasons. More research is needed to figure out what's going on, but it's a super interesting result that was published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society last month. That's today's short. I will see you back here tomorrow.